Okay, so right now I'm going to explain a Logger graph I made about relating normal force and kinetic friction. So I used 6 different data points for normal force and 6 corresponding data points for kinetic friction. And so we found that after graphing these, I actually did a linear fit line, and I got a slope as about 0.3 newtons or 0.26 newtons per 1 newtons in normal force. And so that's that. And then I also had a statistic box made where it says the minimum is 0.3500 at 6.350. So I didn't really understand this part. The mean is 1.800 and the median is 1.500. And so I used the area from this data point to this data point to graph a linear fit line corresponding to the consistency between these points. And what I honestly don't understand is why there's a point here when there's points corresponding in this, about this linear fit line. Also, I understand how these data points were collected, but I'm still a bit confused on the details of this graph. Like, I know in the friction or actually the weight versus mass graph, I knew a lot of details from there and I understood most of it, but I'm having trouble understanding the equation for what this graph would be, and I just want to know more about what you can find out about using this type of graph. Also, I was told to find the I was told to find the coefficient of friction pertaining to rubber on concrete. And so I found these two values of rubber on dry concrete is about 0.6 to 0.85 newtons, but Mr. Day mentioned that we usually take the highest number. And then rubber on wet concrete is about 0.75, which is closer to 0, and that makes sense because the closer to 0 means the closer or the less friction an object has. And that's it.